Hello everyone, I'm Thanasis and welcome back to Better Greek. If you are studying Greek, one of the first things you should learn is to wish happy birthday. For sure, you will come across many situations such as birthday parties where you want to wish someone a happy birthday. In this video, I'll show you the best ways to say happy birthday in Greek, and be sure to watch the video until the end, as we'll also discuss some cultural differences that are important to take into account when it comes to Greek birthdays. And of course, I'll show you the Greek birthday song. Let's get started. First things first, let's start with the basics. Χρόνια πολλά. Χρόνια πολλά. Χρόνια πολλά literally means many years, and it's a way to say happy birthday. With this wish, you wish someone to live many years, to live long. Πολύχρονος. Πολύχρονος. Πολύχρονος is another wish you can say in someone's birthday. In English, we could translate it as happy birthday. It literally means many years, from the words πολύ, which means much, many, a lot, and the words chronos, year. With this word, you wish someone to live many years, to live long. Να τα εκατοστήσεις. Να τα εκατοστήσεις. Να τα εκατοστήσεις is also a birthday wish you can use to mean happy birthday. Literally, you wish someone to live many years, to live long. Again, all these three wishes, χρόνια πολλά, πολύχρονος, να τα εκατοστήσεις, have actually the same meaning. Να τα εκατοστήσεις has the word εκατό inside, which means 100, so you actually wish someone to live long enough to reach the age of 100. Let's see some more birthday wishes. Ό,τι επιθυμείς. Ό,τι επιθυμείς. Ό,τι επιθυμείς literally means have whatever you desire, and it's a wish you can add to the basic ones. For example, να τα εκατοστήσεις. Υγεία και ευτυχία σου εύχομαι. One more time. Να τα εκατοστήσεις. Υγεία και ευτυχία σου εύχομαι. This wish literally means happy birthday. I wish you health and happiness. In other words, to be healthy and happy. Πολύχρονος και ό,τι επιθυμείς. Να είσαι πάντα γερός και χαμογελαστός. One more time. Πολύχρονος και ό,τι επιθυμείς. Να είσαι πάντα γερός και χαμογελαστός. Which means happy birthday and have whatever you desire. Always be strong and healthy and smiling and smile. Let's see another wish. Να τον χαίρεστε or να την χαίρεστε. This wish means be happy and proud about him or about her. It's a wish said to the parents, and it's informal way of talking. Another one is να τον χαίρεσαι or να την χαίρεσαι, which is a wish that means to be happy and proud about him or her, but it's a wish said to the relatives. For example, the brother or the sister, and actually is in informal way of talking. When you wish someone for his or her birthday, you don't have to pick only one of these wishes. If you want, you can have a combination. For example, Γεια σου Κώστα, χρόνια πολλά, πολύχρονος, ό,τι επιθυμείς. Να είσαι πάντα γερός και χαμογελαστός. One more time. Γεια σου Κώστα, χρόνια πολλά, πολύχρονος, ό,τι επιθυμείς. Να είσαι πάντα γερός και χαμογελαστός. If you are invited to a birthday party at a bar or a restaurant, You never pay for the bill. Guests never pay for the person who has a birthday. Actually, that would be very disrespectful for him or her. You are his birthday guest. He or she will pay for everything to please you and will make sure that you are having fun and you have everything you need. Instead of paying for the bill, you can bring a birthday gift like a book, clothes, jewelry, or anything else you want. The Greek birthday song has a different melody than English. It has some special, sophisticated lyrics that we are going to see right now. Here's how it goes. I will sing it for you and please bear with me. Να ζήσεις Βασίλη και χρόνια πολλά, μεγάλος να γίνεις με άσπρα μαλλιά, παντού να σκορπίζεις της γνώσης το φως και όλοι να λένε ένα σοφός. This is the birthday song. It will be good to also memorize the lyrics so that you can also participate and sing along with your Greek friends. And let's see exactly what it means. The translation. I wish you to live long, Vasily, and happy birthday. I wish you to become old with white hair. I wish you everywhere to spread the light of knowledge, and everyone to say, there is a wise man. Very sophisticated. Congratulations! Now you know a lot of different ways to wish a happy birthday to someone in Greek. You can even sing the Greek birthday song with the other Greek guests. Start writing nice birthday messages in Greek and you'll definitely impress your birthday Greek friend and make him or her really happy. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and ta leme!